Don't go. No, no.
Go.
Over here.
Go. Oh my God! Look down there.
Yeah, I know.
I know. Let me first.
No, easy. Stay. Give me your hand.
Guys, stop!
No, no. Step up the steps only.
Why can't we go up there?
No, look.
Can we go up there?
That's a dam. See that?
Ew.
That opens up, huh?
Stop! Don't go up there with the girls.
That whole time, I'm not. We're staying right here. Yeah, we go up there.
Okay, come on.
All right. Only where the bars are. Go, Liam. Get down there. Look at that, Liam. Liam. Hang on. Back up. You'll drown. Stay in the grass. Here. Yeah, you're done. Then I'm jumping in right after you and there ain't no way to get out right there. This is a historical lock and dam, Stockport, number 6. No, it's not.
Don't go on it.
Guys, stay back. Stay, no. Stay in the grass. Look at this. Look, if this opens up, then it rushes water all in there. It says employees only, so we gotta step back. You stay over there. Yeah, they should have this better locked off or something. But stay over there. Stay there in the grass. Look at this. Yeah, there's fish bigger than you. This is wicked. All right, go back to the car. Go to the car. It says employees only, but you know how I am. No, we're gonna walk that way. Look at that. Holy shit. Look at that. That's crazy. That is so sweet. Woo-wee. All right, over there where Sandy is. Where's Sandy at?